Welcome back to Dad's Kitchen, and today what we're gonna do something different, something that I wanted to do, and I was thinking of recording it and not recording it. But by the way, this is my new kitchen. I just moved to this new place that's a lot better, safer, a little smaller kitchen, but it's more cozy. So we're gonna use it today. This is gonna be the first video that we're gonna do in this house. So the first video of many others. So coming back to what we're gonna do, I was thinking what am I gonna eat today? And I had an extra, ball dough, and I decided to make calzone. What is a calzone? Well, calzone is like a turnover, or in Spanish we call it empanadas, but in this case it's an Italian calzone, which is kind of like a pizza, but it's kind of like you kind of fold the pizza and you make it like a turnover, and it's a big one. But we're gonna make two small ones because we don't want to make too much food. Okay, so the ingredients I'm gonna have is my dough, my pizza dough. We're gonna have pepperoni. We're gonna have tomato sauce, pizza sauce, and we're gonna have cheese. And I'm gonna add two more ingredients: onions, sausage, and I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken. So a little more, it's kind of like a meat-up calzone. So this is what we're going to do. But today, I don't have a camera, so we're gonna focus more on making the food, okay? So let's do this. Hope you enjoy, hope you learn something new. Like I said, I'm not a chef, but I love to cook, and I think my kids love my food. Otherwise, they wouldn't come and eat it. So enjoy it, simple. If you know how to make the dough, if you don't know how to make the dough, I do have a video how to make the dough. You can always go back and make it, but this time, it's already made, so let's do this, okay? So I'm not gonna focus more, I'm gonna talk a lot, but we're gonna do this. Let's do it. Hope you enjoy it. Okay guys, so here it is, my dough. It's been, resting for an hour. Wanted to make sure that it kind of flops again. What I'm going to do though, I'm not the greatest on doing the dough by hand, but what I'm going to do, I'm gonna split it in half. So I'm gonna grab a piece of knife, and I'm gonna do it in half because we're gonna do two doughs. Okay, so now that we have it in half, we're gonna make sure that we make it a little ball just like the other one, so just keep going like this, just a little dough, because right now we're gonna spread it out so we can make our pizza. Once again, this one too, you go around and you make sure you put it on enough flour. So we got this, we got that one, and now what we're gonna grab the first one, and I'm gonna spray it out with my fingers a little bit so that way it goes out. And if you notice, you'll see when we take it out, that thing is gonna make a mess, because there's a hole. So make sure you want to make sure that there's no holes on the dough. Okay, you keep going like this. I'm gonna put all this stuff that I use over here back on my area. Spread out a little more. Spread it out as much as you can. Just remember, this is going to be baked, so you want to make sure that you don't have a bread. It's got to be thin. There. See how it's moving forward? It's getting more. Now, this dough was a little hard to make. I don't know if it's because it was put on the refrigerator for a few days and it got stiff, and it really didn't plump up like the pizza dough. It's a little harder. I think it's actually better for what we're using it. I do my own dough, and actually it came out real good too. I learned how to do dough when I was working for a pizzeria here, a local pizzeria. But then again, I do have modified because of course I'm not making dough for, 80 pizzas. Making it a little thin. And it's a good size. Kind of like a tortilla, huh? So now that I have that, I'm going to put once again, my sauce. Not a lot sauce. It's going to give them flavor. Then I'm going to put the pepperoni. Okay. Now go a little bit more the sauce here, because remember this is we're gonna make our full. Not a lot of pepperoni. Well, I guess it's a lot. One more. Good. Got it. Now we have our sausage. This one, I'm going to put the onions in the middle. Chicken, pieces of chicken. Great, and chicken makes a great topping on pizza, man. Chicken and bacon. Fortunately, I didn't have bacon today. And last but not least, our cheese. Make sure you spread it out. Okay. And of course, in this case, I'm going to use water. Simple. Not much of a difference. Just go like with the fingers. Top water. It won't hurt a little bit. It won't hurt no one. Because I gotta use that water for something else. You'll see why. And once again, you're gonna you move it like this to the way closest. Gonna make, this is gonna be good. This one is gonna be the best. And with their fork, we go like this, so we can close it and it doesn't open. Some people use eggs, and eggs is a great way of sealing it. Okay. Now that I have that, I'm going to put my butter on top, so that way it'll get golden. This is I'm worried about this guy, but we'll see it. And I use this herb because it has herbs, butter. Got it from Walmart. Now that we have it done, we're gonna put it on the little. I'm gonna put it in here. Now, when it comes down to, make sure you use flour because it will stick, and same thing with your thing. So now I want you guys to look at this. This is great. If you guys can invest $10 stone pizzeria, and put some in here too, because they too tend to stick. If you guys can invest $10 on this stuff, this is the greatest thing you can do. Okay, and now we're gonna put that in here. And then I grab my other one, which has that opening, which I'm a little worried about. Put it in there. And let's see if you can see that. You see my spoon? It's getting a little darker and darker by the day I use it. The more I use it, the darker it gets. Put it back in. And we're gonna wait 20 minutes on it, okay? So once again, hopefully you guys like what I do, and you guys feel this is a great thing to do. Fun with the kids. If the kids are here, I think they will enjoy it. something different for them. Pizza's like a hot pocket for them, so really enjoyed. Well, we're gonna wait 20 minutes and then we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, see you in 20 minutes. Look at that, it's coming up really good. I thought the other one was gonna make a mess. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it for you guys to watch it and enjoy how this is made. Let's see if we can focus a little longer. So it's coming along real good. We're gonna wait until it's really nice and golden with the butter. That should give us a good color. It's looking beautiful. Can't beat that, that's for sure. And I was gonna take one. I was gonna take both for lunch, but I think I'm just gonna take one and save the other one for maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Well, guys, we're back. It's about time. It's one more minute or 2 more minutes. So we're gonna see how this goes. It looks a little toasty, but you know, some parts looks toasty, some parts look nice and brown, and some parts looks kind of still that needs to be done. But let's see how it goes. Let's see how this is comes out. Let's try it. Here we go. This is our calzone, 2 calzones. It did open up a little bit. Okay, so here's the calzones. As you notice, you know, it's still hot, so I'm just gonna leave it a little bit golden. You know, it looks good. This was the one that was open, so of course it opened up. This one opened up on this side, as you can see. But, you know, still good to eat. I was thinking of taking 2 of them to work, possibly giving to someone, but you know, I don't appreciate. So I'm just gonna keep one here and then take one to work. So here goes, calzone, Italian calzone, Italian empanadas. You can't beat this. And I like to open it, but I'm not gonna open it because it's gonna make a lot of mess. Well, hopefully you enjoy this presentation. This how to make a calzone. Not the greatest looking, but you know, it's still good, looks good. So here we go. Enjoy. Easy to make. You can't beat this. It's like a hot pocket for big boys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video if you really like it, and you know, don't forget to tell other people about it. This is a local from El Paso. Like I said, you don't have to be a chef to know how to cook. Just gotta read and learn and watch other people do it. So like me. So here we go. Have a great day.